Yeeps just released a new mini update, and here's everything that you need to know. They've added a new map, which is called Construction Site, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, we're now inside of the map, so let's go check it out. Alright, so, oh, we've got JB's duck down there. Ah, here's a buckcoin stash right here. And there's also another buckcoin stash inside. Anyway, I know there's one over here. This is becoming helpful. And it's like, anyway, let's check out the actual map. So they've got, this is like blue house when it's being constructed. I mean, it's a construction site. But this, damn. So instead of calling them mini updates now, they actually call them drops instead of mini updates. So yeah, this is a tap packet. Put this down there. See if there's anything new on Tech Web. Yeah, so there's this right here, and it's a zone copier. I actually do own it, so I'm gonna show you guys what it does. I'm gonna cut a clip to me inside of Snow Biome to check out the brand new chainsaw. Alright guys, we're now inside of the new Snow Tech Web. You can see right there. So here's the new chainsaw item. Sadly I won't be able to like demonstrate it for you. It's a creative mode. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the zone copier. So I'll see you in my private world. Ignore like the chaos that's going on here. But I'm going to show you the sort of like zone copier thing. It's actually really useful. This is it right here. I'm going to copy this. See if I put it right there. And put it to where I want it. Boom. And I do copy. And I copy with 7 blocks. And if I just put it over here, and go paste. I'll just move this. Boom. It's right there. So it's pretty useful. So if I just go like that and I press play zone, boom. Alright, I'm gonna try to copy this via Yeep block. So if I just go like that, go copy, and then just go here, go paste. Yeah, you can copy via blocks of it, which is really useful. That'll be it for today's video. And hopefully you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah.